In the best practice in jurisdictions that are devolved has been treated is that the heads of both levels of government have immunity on civil and criminal proceedings while they are in office. Government agencies must chase for accountability rightfully. To illustrate, where cabinet secretaries have been faced with matters corruption, they have been sent home quietly. But this decorum is lost when a governor is in similar circumstances.
Ni riendekithia ria muikarigite wa kanja ya magavana Josephat Nanoka kenda governors matigaiikagio ngono na kana gukinyukirio makinyoro mothe ma kiwatho riria manyitikana na mahitia mari wabici-ini. Riendekithia ririthiete na mbere kuburura mawoni matiganite. Gicunjĩ kimwe kia Maseneta ni maheanite murugamo wao wigie ndeto ino kuria maugitire ni riendekithia ritagirire kuhitukio kuona ria kurera ungumania no huthiri muru wa mbeca cia muingi thiini wa county.
Such immunity does not exist. So this is an effort that will not, in futility, we will fight it, and we are only telling them, be accountable, follow the law.
I dare them to bring a legislative amendment to the Constitution, and I can promise them it will fail on the floor of the House.
Nake muikarigite wa kamiti ya mbunge ye mathabu ma muingi no ria nowe mbunge wa Ugunja Opio Wandai ni amenereirie Nanoka kigona riendekithia riri riatwarwo mbunge-ini makariregana murugamo umwe.
This idea of transforming the Council of Governors into some kind of club to protect selfish interests must be resisted.
Wandai ni uriti honge irathie na mbere guthuthuria aria makuruhanitio na ciiko cia ungumania mamurikithie ndurumeni cio kaunti-ini kuona kweya gukorwo na ciiko ta ici nikio gavana maraikia riendekithia ria kugitirwo.
If you have not taken care of public resources put under your charge as a governor, you cannot go and hide behind the Council of Governors. We cannot transform the Council of Governors into some kind of refuge for governors and other county government officers to run to when the law is catching up with them.
No hihiri, watho wa bururi ni witikiretie ndeto ino na nwagirwo ni kwamukira ugitiri ta uyu. Kama maingi ni wakiri na ni aratucokeria kiuria giki.
Na gutire mundu ungiheo immunity kana witikiritio ni watho ukorwe na immunity tiga president. Ni mehitia manene na no njuge ni ira tuga ni misguided opinion gukorwo governor marageria kuiganania na president maheo immunity oria tuya te thiini wa bururi His Excellency CEO wa bururi ni umwe na president na nikio nowe wiki wina immunity niguo hota guturutira wira.
Gukinyira riu kuri na magavana makiria na aria mathiete na mbere na guthuthurio magikuruhana na ciiko cia uhuthiri muru wa mbeca odumwe na kugumia mbeca cia muingi. Mwaka-ini wa 2016 ni kwari na riendekithia ria kwe munini wa Atongoria wa bururi ugitiri ta uyu ororia watungirio no uregani munene kuma kuri muingi odumwe na atongoria kiama kia mawakiri guku bururi-ini makia kuhitukia riendekithia tariri no ta kuhingura murango wa kurekereria mbeca cia muingi kwanangwo.
Thank you very much, guys.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Nũngari wa Kamau.